If you're considering Survicate, there are 7 key things you need to know before you make a purchase. From pricing and features to how it stacks up against competitors, this video will cover everything you should consider before buying. By the end of this video, you'll know if it's the right choice for you or your business. Stay tuned for all the insights, and I'll also share how you can try Survicate for free. Just click the first link below. Survicate is a customer feedback platform that helps businesses collect, analyze, and act on feedback in real time. One of its standout features is its integration with a variety of tools, such as CRMs and email marketing software, which allows you to streamline your feedback process. This makes it an attractive option if you're looking for a tool that can easily plug into your existing workflow, unlike some competitors that require more complex setups or integrations. Next, let's talk about pricing. Survicate's pricing is competitive, especially when compared to other customer feedback platforms. They offer a free plan with basic features, but the more advanced plans come with a range of powerful features for serious businesses. If you're looking for deeper analytics, a wider variety of surveys, and more integrations, the paid plans are quite affordable, especially compared to alternatives like Qualtrics or Typeform, which can get pricier. The third thing you need to know is the range of survey types Survicate supports. Whether you need NPS surveys, customer satisfaction surveys, or product feedback, Survicate has you covered. Many tools like Google Forms or SurveyMonkey are more limited in terms of customization or don't offer seamless integrations with marketing platforms. Survicate stands out with its tailored solutions, allowing you to build surveys that blend well into your website or emails without interrupting the user experience. The fourth thing to consider is Survicate's ease of use. Many customer feedback platforms can be overwhelming or require a steep learning curve, especially when compared to competitors like Hotjar or SurveyMonkey. With Survicate, you can start creating surveys almost immediately. The drag-and-drop interface is intuitive, and setting up surveys across different touchpoints, such as your website or emails, is straightforward. If you're new to customer feedback software, this simplicity is a huge advantage. Another important point is analytics. Survicate offers solid data analysis tools that allow you to break down the results of your surveys in a clear and actionable way. Whether you're tracking customer satisfaction trends or analyzing feedback from specific customer segments, Survicate's dashboard offers detailed insights. Competitors like Typeform may offer basic analytics, but Survicate goes further with customizable reports that help you spot trends and make data-driven decisions. Next, let's talk about customer support. Survicate provides robust support for its users, including live chat and email support, alongside a comprehensive knowledge base. This is something that sets Survicate apart from some competitors who may only offer limited support options, especially on lower tier plans. If you run into issues or need help optimizing your surveys, you'll appreciate the prompt and helpful support from Survicate's team. The final thing you should know is the free trial. Survicate offers a free plan, but if you want to unlock its full potential, you can try out the premium features through their free trial by clicking the first link in the description. This is an excellent opportunity to test the platform and see if it's the right fit for your needs before committing. Many platforms offer free trials, but Survicate makes it easy for you to jump right into testing without the usual barriers. If you're interested in trying Survicate for yourself and getting access to exclusive benefits, make sure you click the first link in the description for the best free trial. Don't miss out on the chance to experience all that Survicate has to offer.